Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Parul Rana and I'll teach you mathematics. Large numbers. You know that 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. What comes after 9999? So that is 10,000, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. And with that, 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Again, what comes after 99,999? That is 1 lakh or 100,000. 100,000s or 10,000s make 1 lakh. So, 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. And 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. And if we plus 1 to 9,99,999, it will become 10 lakh or 1 million. 1,000 thousands or 10 times 1 lakh make 10 lakh. Then 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number, and 99,99,999 is the greatest 7-digit number. And 1 plus to 99,99,999 will be 1 crore or 10 million. So with that, 100 lakhs make 1 crore, and 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number, and 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 is the greatest 8-digit number. So here what we saw what is our smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, 7-digit number and 8-digit numbers. Now we will see all these on place value chart. Now place value chart. We can read a large number in 2 ways, by using the Indian place value chart or by using the international place value chart. So we have 2 place value chart, which are those Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Each place value chart is separated into groups. These groups are called periods. In the Indian place value chart, the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In the international place value chart, the periods are ones, thousands and millions. Now first we will see the Indian place value chart. So first we have periods which are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And places, in ones we have ones, tens, hundreds, and in thousands we have thousands, 10,000s. Then in lakh, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and similarly in crores, crores, 10 crores. So this is our place value of Indian place value chart. Now international place value chart. Again we have periods, place and place value. So which are the periods? Ones, thousands and millions. And places we have in ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands we have thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. And in millions, similarly, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So these are the two place value charts. Now we put commas between periods to separate them. It makes reading large numbers easy. So how we separate the large numbers? By putting the commas after the periods. In the international place value chart, 10 lakhs equals to 1 million, 1 crore is equals to 10 millions and 10 crores equals to 100 millions. In the Indian system, we put commas after 3 digits from the right and then after every 2 digits. So this is the example like 7,23,504. So in Indian system, first we put comma after 3 digit, then every 2 digit. And in the international system, we put commas after 3 digits from the right. So every time we'll put comma after each 3 digits. For example, 723,504. Reading large numbers. To read large numbers, first separate the period with commas, then read all digits of a group together followed by the name of the group. The first 5 places from the right are same in the both place value chart system. So the first 5 places from the right are same in both the chart systems. Now we have these two numbers in Indian and international system. So first is the Indian place value, where we have put the number till 10 lakh. So the number is 49 lakh 23,520. Now again we have this number in international place value chart. So the number is 4,923,520. Now successor and predecessor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. To get successor of a number, we add 1 to it. So what is a successor? The number just after a given number. Here, successor of 6,50,267 is, what will do? We'll just plus 1 to it and it will become 6,50,268. Now, the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. To get predecessor of a number, we subtract 1 from it. So, similarly, like successor, we get predecessor by subtracting 1 from the given number. So, predecessor of 3,48,290 is 3,48,289. Numbers in expanded form. So, now we will see how we will write the numbers in the expanded form. So, these are all the numbers given. The first one is 4,678. So, the expanded form is 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Now, we have 32,681. So, expanded form will be 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 1. Next, 59,023. So, expanded form will be 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 3. So the next number is 3,62,374. So expanded form will be 3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 4. Next, 2,03,456. So expanded form क्या होगी? 2 lakh plus 0 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Next we have 6,40,809. Then it will be 6 lakh plus 40,000 plus 0 plus 800 plus 0 plus 9. Next we have 72,84,958. So expanded form will be 70 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 8. Now the biggest number will be 3 crore 46 lakh 51,120. So expanded form will be 3 crore plus 40 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 0. Now we will see writing large numbers. 4,07,567. So how we will write it? Make period blocks and fill the places. Keep all places before the leftmost digit blank. For no value at a place, write 0. Finally, write the number with commas or spaces to show the period. So, this is the way how we write a number from right to left, and the place which doesn't have any number, we write it as 0. Now, writing the number names of large numbers. Here, move right to left, making the periods with commas. The first period from the right has 3 digits, the rest have 2. The numbers in the periods give the number name. So, we start by separated them with the commas, and the first period have the 3 digits, then the rest have the 2. We have this number, which is 5 crore 27 lakh 8,456. Now exercise 2A. Question number 1. Write in figures according to the Indian system. A part, 60,524. So we will write it as 60,524. Question number 2. Write in figures according to the international system. A part, 22,258. So similarly, 22,258. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now question number 3. Write in words according to the Indian system. So we have to write the number name according to Indian system. A part, the number is 72,502. So we will write it as 72,000 500 and 2. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 4. Write in words according to the international system. So now we have to write the number name according to international place value chart. A part, we have 139,256. So we'll write it as so the number name is 139,256. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 5. Rewrite the numbers with commas according to the Indian system. So the A part, so this is the number 5,43,268. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 6. Rewrite the numbers with commas according to the international system. A part, so according to international system, the number is 236,404. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now question number 7, write in the short form. So we are given with the expanded form and we have to write the short form of the number. So the A part is, the number will be 55,555. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now question number 8, write in the expanded form. So now we have to write the expanded form. A part, so the number is 25,79,872. So the number will be 20,000. So this is how we will write the number. 20 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 2. So similarly, you will do the rest of the numbers on your own. Question number 9. Write the consecutive numbers that come after. So A part is, the number is 63,255. So the next numbers will be 63,256, 63,257, 63,258, 63,259, 63,260, and at last 63,261. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 10. Write the predecessor, the number just before. A part, we have 42,000. So the predecessor will be 41,999. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 11. Write the successor, the number just after. A part, we have the number 14,099. So the number just after will be 14,100. So you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 12. The number just before and after. So we are given with the number 43,200. So the number just before will be 43,199 and after 43,201. So similarly, you will do the rest of the question on your own. Question number 13. Write the number between. A part. So the number will be 10,000. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now, place value. Place value. You know that the place value of a digit is the product of the digit and the value of the place. Let us put the digits 2,37,41,568 in a place value chart. So what is the place value of a digit? The product of the digit and the value of the place. So this is the way how we put a digit in the place value chart. And this is the number name, the expanded version. 2 crore plus 3 10 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 4 10 thousands plus 1 thousands plus 5 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 8 ones. So this is the place value of the digits. Now comparing and arranging. Comparing and arranging. To compare numbers, compare their digits left to right. If the digit at a place are equal, compare the digits at the next place on the right. So how we compare the digits? From the largest one to the smallest one. Like here, first we are comparing the crore place, then 10 lakh, then lakh. Because the crores and the 10 lakh places are the same digit, we are comparing the lakh. So 4 is less than 6. So we got our largest number. So this is how we compare our digits. Now arrange in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. So here are the numbers with us, like 25,683, 62,497, 7,43,850, 956, 11,61,090, 8,429. So these are the some numbers and we have to arrange them in the ascending order, means smallest to the greatest. So the numbers will be in ascending order. How? 956, 8,429, 25,683, 62,497, then 7,43,850 and last 11,61,090. Now arrange in descending order from the largest to the smallest. So numbers we have 43,562, 602, 1,03,518, 13,70,279, 88, 5,725. So in descending order it will be 13,70,279, then 1,03,518, then 43,562, then 5,725, then 602 and at last 88. 8. Here, numbers with lesser digits are smaller, numbers with more digits are larger. For numbers with equal digits, compare the digits left to right. So, the numbers having the less number of digits are smaller. Similarly, more digits than the larger number. And for numbers with equal digits, we compare the digits from left to right. Now, making the smallest and the greatest numbers with given digit. Making the greatest number with given digits. The greatest number will have the most crores, lakhs, thousands and so on. So, write the given digits in descending order. If any digit are equal, keep them together. So, how will make the greatest digit? The greatest digits will have more crores, lakhs and thousands. So, we have the given digits like 6, 7, 8, 4, 6, 0, 5. So, the greatest number will be 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 0. Means the greatest number at the left, then all the smallest to the right. Now, making the smallest number with given digits. Write the digits in ascending order as 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. You cannot start numbers with zeros. If there are zeros, place them after the next smallest digit. So, we will never start a number with 0. Here we have the given digits as 6, 9, 5, 4, 9. So, the smallest number will be 4, 5, 6, 9, 9. So, we will start with the smallest and then goes to the largest. Now, exercise 2B. Write the place value of the digits. So, we have write the place values. So, the place value of 4 is 10,000, 2,000, 7 hundreds, 6 tens and 1 ones. So, similarly, you will do the rest of the questions on your own. Question number 2, fill in. A part, in 73,208, the place value of 7 is 10,000 and that of 3 is 1,000 and that of 2 is 100. So, similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now, question number 3, mark greater than, less than or equal to. A part, we have the numbers 38020 and on the other side 38020. So, the numbers are equal. So, similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 4, write the smallest number first and then write the largest number. So, first here we have to write the smallest and then largest. So, now in A part, among all these numbers, the smallest number is 40,60,800 and the largest number is 4,07,08,090. So, similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 5, write in ascending order. A part, so we have the numbers, we have to write these in ascending order. So, it will be 3640,466, then 59,67750, then 70655537, then 22335590, and at last 82532394. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 6, write in descending order. So we have the numbers and we have to write them in descending order. A part, so we have 7755962, then 4528693, 849473, 53952, and at last 798. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Now question number 7, make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. So using these given digits, we have to make the greatest and smallest number. A part, we have the digits 85013024. So we will start with the greatest digit and then goes to the smaller one. So the greatest number will be 8,54,32,100, and the smallest number will be 1,02,03,458. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Roman numerals. Hindi Arabic numerals. Numerals are used to represent numbers. We usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The method of writing all the numbers using 10 numerals started in India. It was later spread around the world by the Arabs. So these numerals are often called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So the normally digits we use are the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numerals. Use of normal Roman numerals can still be seen in our daily life. On the face of some clocks, the hours are indicated by Roman numerals. These numerals are used to number different volumes of book, questions in a paper or exercise. Unlike Hindu-Arabic numeration system, the regional numeration system and the Roman numeration system use only 7 symbols, namely this I, V, X, L, C, D and M, and represents values of these symbols are as under. So the symbols used in Roman numerals and their values are here. So I is 1, with V we represent 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, D as 500 and M as 1000. In Roman system, there is no symbol for 0. This system has no place value system. To write the other numbers, we use the following rules. So in Roman numerals, there is no symbol for the 0 and there is no place value system. So the rules are the numerals I, X, C and M. that is 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are special. Only they can be placed together, repeated in a row, and only they can be subtracted. So these are the numbers which can be placed together and only can be subtracted. And next, I, X, C and M can be repeated in a row up to 3 times to form larger numbers. So we can repeat these numbers up to 3 times to make a larger number. The values of the repeated numerals get added, and when we repeat these numerals, the value gets added. Like here, we have 2 i's, which means 1 plus 1 is 2. Then if we have 3, means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. If we have 3 x's, then 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. If we have 2 c's, means 100 plus 100, 200. 3 c's means 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. 2m means 1000 plus 1000, that is 2000. Like here, a smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. So we add a smaller numeral to a greater numeral on its left, like here. Vi means 5 plus 1 is 6. Here, 2 i's means 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Here it is 8 with V and 3 i's on the left. X and 2 i's means 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12. Here 2x and V means 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. Lx means 50 plus 10, that is 60. Here, a smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. You can subtract only once from a numeral. So, addition we can do many times, but subtraction can be done only once. Like here, we write 4 as IV, that is 5 minus 1 is 4. Ix is 9, means 10 minus 1. And XL is 50 minus 10 is 40. Here, a smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. So, when we write a smaller numeral between two greater numerals from it, it gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Like this, XIV is 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 14. Again, XIX means 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 19. Like here, 40 is XL and not 4 X's. 30 is 3 X's and not 2 X and L. You can only subtract once. And to change into Roman numerals, change the tens and ones separately. So, we does the changes separately. Here we have numbers 1 to 50 in Roman numerals. We have all the symbols from 1 to 50 here. Now exercise 2C. Question number 1. Write using Roman numerals. A part. So we have to write the Roman numerals of the number. So for 2, we write 2 I's, 4 I and V, for 5 V, for 6 V and I, 8 V plus 2 I's, 9 I and X, for 10 only X, 15 X and V, then we have 18, that is X, V and 3 I's, and 20 X. So similarly you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 2. Write using Hindu-Arabic numerals. So for Roman numbers we have to write the Hindu numerals. So first is 3, then 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 7, 12, 13 and last 20. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 3, fill in greater than or less than. So A part, first one we have 45 and then this is 25. So 45 is greater than 25. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 4, fill in greater than or less than or equal to. A part, we have 20 plus 6, that is 26, and here this is 24. So 26 is greater than 24. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 5, write in ascending order. So we have to write these Roman numerals in ascending order. A part, so the ascending order will be x, that is 10, 2x, 20, 3x, 30, xl is 40, 50, then 100, that is L and C. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number C, write in descending order. So similarly, here we will write the Roman numerals as descending order. A part, so we will write it as so this is the descending order. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 7, write the answers in Roman numerals. So we have to solve it and write the answers in Roman numerals. So A part is 8 into 8 and the answer we have to write in Roman numerals. So it will be 64. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Question number 8, complete the following sequence. So we have to complete the sequence. A part, so it is starting with 7. Starting with 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11 and ends with 12. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The Roman numeral for 500 is, the answer is D, L. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. Think and solve. A 4-digit number with different digits has the sum of its digits as 13. Find the number if the 1000 place is double the units place and the tens place is more than the hundreds place. So that number is 6013. Now fun with maths. Solve the crossword using Roman numerals and clues given. Across, first, 1 more than 3 tenths is 31. So the answer is 31, and in Roman numerals it will be like this, 3 x's and 1. So similarly, you will do the rest of the parts on your own. So students, we have done with our chapter, we have done the revision. So you will do the question and practice these questions at your own.